for joining me today. Welcome. I'm aMage, and I'm glad you decided to do yoga, meditation, or whatever this video is about. You're probably making a step in the right direction for yourself, so that's great. As always, please like, comment, share the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, check out my Instagram, please. The link is in the description below, and that's a little different. It's memes and Dungeons and Dragons related, but it's a good time, it's inspirational, it's positive. And now I'll shut up and let's get to the video. Thank you. And good morning. I just woke up with you, so let's do this. Today we got 15 minutes on the clock, hopefully, and we're just gonna do some movement and yoga to wake up our bodies. So let's get right into it. Let's come to a tabletop. And when I wake up, I like to start with cat and cows. So we're gonna move through some of these. So remember, you want to round your spine, tuck your chin, and exhale. Then inhale, pull your chest forward, bend your spine, look up towards the ceiling. And keep moving through these two positions. Your feet could be flat or tucked. Doesn't really matter there. And your hips are over your knees and your shoulders are over your wrists as best as possible. And then when you've done a few of those, and it's a little warmed up, you can start doing some circle cat cows. So you make a circle with your back as you're doing the cat cow motion. You just get more of the body involved as we start warming it up. So a lot of everything that we're going to be doing today, this morning, is going to be involving movement. We're not going to really be doing anything static because we want to wake up the body, so we got to keep the muscles moving. Static stretching is good for after a workout when everything's warmed up, but when you're not warmed up, you really want to be doing a more active, oh, my hip just cracked, an active stretch, which means you're just moving in and out of the stretch. So I'm just going to push my hips back a little right here. And if you have your feet tucked, when you come back, you feel a little in your foot, which is nice. A little sneaky toe stretch, as one of my friends likes to say. Okay, we won't be here for long, I promise, but put your feet back to a plank, and let's just hold this for a few seconds. Yeah, this is great at waking the body up. Okay, you might hate me, but let's just do 3 push-ups. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that was enough. Let's push back again. Woo! So much harder when you first wake up. Okay, to the plank again. And raise our right shoulder, let our feet fall. If you want to bend the knee or take that front foot to support yourself, you could do that. And then we're going to switch to the other side. Just do that one more time each side. Alright, and then come to your sitting on your knees. Oh, excuse me, yeah. Just look up, raise your arms. And let's split them and move. Or have your head look back to your arm. And let's just do this a few times. So you raise your arms up over your head, and with your arm that's going back, you look back with it. And we're just doing things to warm up the upper body right now. Oh yeah, that's some good stuff. Alright, last one here. Right side, left side. Alright. And then we're just gonna do a few shoulder warm-ups. So put your hands on your shoulders and make circles with your elbows as wide as you can. Do 5 one way and then 5 the other way. So this is the last one here. And we reverse that. Yeah. Okay. Oh, let's just shake it out. Alright, I'm starting to feel alive now. Alright, let's go back to our tabletop. And then push back to a plank, or bring your feet back to a plank. Let's hit a down dog real quick and pedal up our feet. You could also like bend your elbows too and do like a little pseudo push up. Okay. So we're gonna lift the leg as much as you got, and just bring it forward. And then bring your back knee down. And let's just roll around in the hip a little bit right here. Again, the hip to wake up. Move left to right, up and down. Do circles. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh man, excuse me. Okay, so that's good. So now let's bring our foot forward, heel to the ground, toes up. And let's start hitting those hamstrings. Oh yeah, this is tight already. So just want to rock over your heel until you feel that hamstring stretch as much as you can handle, and then go forward. And then bring it back again and get into that hamstring stretch. I can't really even straighten my whole leg at this point. I'm so tight from waking up or sleeping, whatever. Oof. But you guys got it. We're doing it. I like to be here a lot because I like to stretch my hamstrings. I feel like they're one of the tightest parts of my body. And if you push down your heel and drag back towards your body, you'll feel more of a stretch. So when you come to lengthen your leg, you can also do that. Push your heel down and pull it towards your body, and you'll feel more of that stretch. Yeah, but only after you've done a few. You don't want to go into it right away. Okay. Alright. So you're just gonna walk your foot to the outside of your mat. Bring your right hand inside, and then just rock your knee open and close. Roll your foot to its pinky side edge and bring it back down. Just moving through some lizard pose, but not holding it. And my ankle is really cracking here. Okay. That's enough. Engage your back leg, bring your back foot back. Hit that down dog again. Okay, now you got to the side, so we gotta go to the other side. Bring your left leg up. Ooh, hip crack. Bring it forward in between your hands. Back knee down. And again, just kind of freestyle moving. Move your hip. Circles, back, forth, left, right. Whatever feels good for you, just get that movement in there. As a friend likes to say, motion is the lotion. Yes. Okay. Okay. Alright, then scoot your foot forward, bring your heel to the ground, your toes up in the air. And again, let's just rock back and forth and hit this hamstring. Almost tipped over there. Yeah, I'm starting to feel good now. I don't know about you guys. That's amazing how different your day is when you start with just a little bit of movement. 15 minutes is a good amount for me. Anything else, I don't know. I got other stuff to do. Gotta sweep my front porch, backyard, make coffee. That's my Wednesday morning routine. I got a routine for every morning that's different. A lot of it is meditation. Saturday and Sunday I'm off. I don't really do anything except what I feel like doing. But Monday through Friday, I have a morning routine for each day, and it's all some sort of meditation. Maybe I'll make some videos on that in the future. But my Wednesday morning is moving meditation. This and sweeping. It's peaceful. It's a peaceful morning for sure. Okay. So I think we did enough here. Let's bring our foot back down and then bring it towards the edge of our mat and rock through that lizard pose. Okay. You know, one thing I forgot to do on the other side was hit the quad. But we can get back to that real quick. But let's do it on this side first. Okay, so bring our foot back to the center. Bring your left hand to the inside of your foot, and then raise your back foot and just pull your foot towards you. You might have to lean a little forward if you're pretty flexible to feel that. Push your back knee towards the ground, which will engage your quad a little more. And as you pull forward, you should feel that stretch a little more. Okay, let's just right here switch. Left leg back, right foot forward. Do the same thing. Right hand inside of the right foot. Stabilize yourself, and then just grab your foot, pull it forward. Great, yeah. Whew. Okay. And for the last thing, you might really hate me, but if you have some sort of weight, grab it. I'm using a 25 here. Okay, I hate myself already. So trying to get ready to be in the lunge position. We're gonna do both sides. Pick up your weight. Bend into that lunge. Yep. Bring your arms forward and bring the weight down towards your back hip and up across your body. And let's just do this for 10 times. 2. You could do it without the weight. 3. Or with whatever weight you have. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8.
rest here real quick. This really just wakes up the whole body. It's an exercise that uses like literally every bit of your body. Alright. The other side now. Pick up your weight, bend into your full lunge, and let's go. Left hip up, across, over to your right side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Whoa. All right, put that down, and we're good. So, a little 15-minute workout, yoga, hybrid situation going on here. One last thing you could do is just windshield wipe your legs. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time.
And it's over, just like that. Whichever video you were watching, was it yoga, meditation, whatever, great job. You got through it. You got this. Good job committing to yourself. As always, please, I ask you to like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Check out my Instagram in the description below. You'll find the link. It's a great time. It's yoga, D&D, inspiration all mixed together. Great job again, and have a great morning, day, evening, whichever.